Unraveling the phrase, peel the vegetables. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you might encounter in the kitchen or while preparing food. Peel the vegetables. Whether you're cooking at home, watching a cooking show, or reading a recipe, understanding this phrase is key to following instructions accurately. Let's peel back the layers of its meaning together. Peel the vegetables refers to the process of removing the outermost layer or skin from vegetables before they are used in cooking or consumed. This is often done to remove any dirt, pesticides, or tough outer skins that might be unpleasant to eat or hard to digest. Peeling can be accomplished with a variety of tools, such as a knife or a vegetable peeler, and the method can vary depending on the type of vegetable. Peeling vegetables can serve several purposes. Improves texture and taste. Removing the skin can make some vegetables more palatable and easier to eat, especially if the skin is tough or bitter. Health and safety. It helps in removing any pesticides or contaminants that might be on the surface of the vegetables. Even though washing can remove a lot of these, peeling is a more thorough method. Aesthetic reasons. In some dishes, the appearance is key, and peeled vegetables can contribute to a more refined look. 1. Choose the right tool. A sharp vegetable peeler or paring knife is essential. The right tool can make the peeling process easier and safer. 2. Wash the vegetables. Always start by washing the vegetables to remove any surface dirt or contaminants. 3. Peel with care. Gently peel away from your body to minimize the risk of cutting yourself. For vegetables with thicker skin, you might need to apply more pressure. 4. Dispose of the peels properly. Depending on your local waste management policies, vegetable peels can be composted or disposed of in the trash. Keep peels for stock. Don't throw away those peels just yet. Many vegetable peels, like those from carrots, potatoes, and onions, can be used to make a flavorful vegetable stock. Peel only when necessary. Some vegetables have nutrient-rich skins that are beneficial to eat. If the skin is thin and edible, consider leaving it on to preserve the nutrients. Thank you for watching our video on Peel the Vegetables. We hope this explanation helps you in your cooking adventures and makes following recipes a bit easier. Remember, peeling vegetables is not just about the act itself but understanding the why and how behind it to make your dishes even better. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.